Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is February 14th, 2018, and I'm at home today testing some more motors in the barrel. Getting some of these winter projects checked out and running and stuff like that. Motors I've done. Anyway, this one we're going to start out with is a 1971 Johnson 6-horse. When this motor came to me, it had been parted out. It was missing the gear case, missing the recoil, missing the carburetor, missing the fuel pump. And so I just went through it, gave it a big tune-up. So replacement gear case, resealed that, all new seals, new water pump impeller, put a new recoil assembly on it, new recoil rope, carburetor, and a rebuild kit, fuel hoses, fuel pump, and we're giving it a try. So we'll give you a little show on this one. Oh, I also replaced the shift handle. The shift handle was broken. There's forward gear. Got a full ignition tune-up too with coils, points, connectors, wires, plugs. Got a head gasket. It's got a lot of work. And reverse. So it turned out nice. I don't know why they parted it out. The power head's got excellent compression. Leak down was only 3% in each cylinder. So I have no idea, but it's a happy little motor. Okay, that'll do it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye.